Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, a lot of you asked me a question about this mining Dogecoin website is a lie or not. This website pay me my withdrawal. I share with you the withdrawal payment. Okay, let's get started. Okay, right now I'm logging in my account and this is the Dogecoin price right now. I make withdrawal from here. I go to the withdrawal. Okay, in here you can see I make 80 Dogecoin withdrawal in this wallet address, and this will be pay me after maybe 2 or 3 hours instantly uh, to my Trust wallet. I share with you the payment proof. You can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay 80 Dogecoin. I receive the May of 11:52 a.m. It's too late to this website pay me. Okay, because this take much more time to withdraw your amounts, but this website is 100% free, 100% light website. And you can see first time I invest this much, the next time I invest this much, and right now 70 Doge investment in here. It will be running tomorrow morning. I will be receive the amount, and I go to my investment, and I want to start investment, new investment. In here I can click and I can put amount in here if you want to invest. Okay, and I want to invest again because I want to make much more amount. I just copy it and come here to my Dogecoin wallet address, and I just paste in here, just click max and just click continue. I want to invest again in this website, and I will be share with you the next withdrawal proof from this website. That this website is 100% light. Okay, and now you can see I just click confirm, and just I put my password and just wait, and this is the transaction. It will be in the transing the amount, okay, to that website, and this will be make it take 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and this is the live share with you the payment to I want to pay this website to make much more Dogecoin from here. This website is a light website. You can invest in here with no risk. Okay, total earning for my earning is a 3 Doge for right now. If I click every day, I will be make 1.5 Dogecoin every day. About this plans, you can see 1.5 percent Dogecoin you can earn every day. Okay, and I will be invest much more if I add much more withdraw from here. Then I will invest 1,000 and 10,000 Dogecoin in here. Maybe this not a scam for right now. This will be pay you for right now. You can invest least Dogecoin, maybe 10 to 100 Dogecoin. You can invest in here and start investing in here, start earning from here. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and all the website is alike. You can see the Dogecoin will be sent to my account in here. Just I reload in here. This will be take little bit time to the investment will become to put in the deposit menu to I can easily make buy a plan. Okay, you can see I have a Dogecoin in here. Just I click here and just I put ET Doge. Okay, and just click order plan, and you can see I buy another plan. If this website didn't real, I didn't buy any plan in here. This is the 100% real website. You can earn free Dogecoin from here. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye for now.